Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today we're making a easy chicken tikka masala. So let's do what we do and make it happen. So we're gonna start with some prep, right? We're chopping up a medium yellow onion and some cilantro. Now right off the bat, this is not authentic by any means, but it's so good. Toss over some rice and grab a bit of naan and you'll be laughing. Also, you can find a link to my naan video in the description below. We have boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and we're going to chop these into bite-sized pieces. We're going to trim some of the fat. Y'all might not know this, but Indian food is one of my favorite cuisines. Don't freak out that the chicken is being put on the same plate as the onions. They will be cooking together, so it doesn't matter. Grab Chef Kendra's kitchen cookbook. The link is high up in the description below. Finish the video first and go buy the book, son. We're getting some oil in a large pan over medium heat, and we're going to heat that oil until it has a little shimmer on it. Then we're going to go add our chicken. Salt. Pepper. Now we cook and stir until the chicken is almost brown. Toss in the onions and stir until the onions are soft and the chicken is brown completely. Add the dried ginger, the garam masala, crushed tomato, and stir. We're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to reduce the heat to low. We're going to cook it for about 5 or 6 minutes. I took a little taste and it's delicious. Now we're going to add some cilantro and heavy whipping cream. And we're going to stir and cook that for another 5 minutes. Yo, for this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Hey, that's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.